what I love about horror and what would be difficult about stepping outside of horror is that with horror you're using every piece of the cinematic language. I mean, watching so many films at Fright Fest this weekend, working in the genre myself, you just realize every craftsperson, every just strange person you encounter in the facet of like horror is what makes these movies, like special effects, makeup, acting, cinematography. I mean, I don't know how often I read reviews about, a standard drama or just a comedy that really comments on all the individual parts. But with a horror movie, it's all on display.
And that's the power of horror. It digs into you and it just becomes a part of you. And I totally get, like, so, my wife is not a horror fan, and I get that. I totally get that. But for me, it's a part of my DNA.